The email archiving and automation tool allows me to archive emails from Outlook to the CRM either manually or automatically. The simplest method is to simply drag and drop emails from an Outlook folder onto the side panel. If you need more functionality, you can use this tool that allows you to customize the subject if you need to. Select the default action, which is archive to the contact and the account, or I can select this option and specify that I'd like to archive to the contact, the account, and this particular opportunity. And I can also add additional record, select the type of record. If you have custom modules, they're going to show up here as well, as long as they are associated with email. And you can specify the record. Once you've archived the email manually, you can select this option to say that from now on, all future messages in this conversation should be archived to the set of records that I just selected here. And then you can also schedule a follow-up meeting, call, task. This is for yourself. It doesn't get sent to the customer. As for automatic archiving, we have the email rule engine, which is modeled after the native Outlook rules engine. Contains a set of rules. Each rule, if we open a rule, you can see that you give it a name. You select whether it applies to incoming emails or outgoing emails, specify the email address of the contact or the domain name of the account, and then the system automatically selects the CRM contact. A different type of rule, which is much wider in nature, allows me to select not a specific email address or domain name, but a type. So I can select any contact, which means that at the time of receiving the email, we will connect real time to the CRM, check if it's being received from a CRM contact, and that would trigger the rule. And I can archive based on the recipients and the respective accounts, or I can select a specific record. So this was the auto rules engine. The other method is based on conversation archiving. So, and we can either archive retroactively, which means emails that were sent or received in the past. If I select it, I'm going to see all the emails that were part of the conversation of the email that I just selected. And I can archive them all at once, either based on each email's recipients and accounts, or once again, select a specific record. And if I'd like to capture future conversation, then all I have to do is just select what it should be related to, and then the system will automatically capture these emails and archive them to the record that I specify. As for automation, we have two methods of doing a mail merge. Here, for example, Arthur requested a quote, and I'm going to respond to Arthur directly from Outlook by selecting this tool. It allows me to select the module, so either quote or invoices, select the record, and select the PDF template that the CRM administrator has defined for request for quote, for example, and click reply. And what happens now is that we compose a reply email to Arthur with an attachment that gets dynamically generated by doing a mail merge between the CRM template and the CRM data, and it will attach it directly to the email, and you can respond to Arthur directly from Outlook, which saves a lot of time. The other method is reply with email template. Same idea, but it applies to the message body instead of an attachment. I'd like to reply with an email template. I'm going to select the response to RFQ template, and you'll see what the template looks like. So it contains these merge fields where the CRM data will be merged with. Since it specifies the email address, the system automatically identified the contact, the account, and then I have to select the opportunity and click merge. And what happens is we merge the data with the template and end up with an email that can get sent directly to the customer.